You could plug points into equations here. You could actually even just take all these equations and put them into Desmos. Since you have only one variable, Desmos will solve this and then show you a vertical line where the correct value of t is. And then you can just think about that value and just see if it makes any sense, right? Based on the story. If it's like a very small, a very large number of years, that probably doesn't make a lot of sense based on just how the story sounds. But we could answer this without doing any work at all, any calculations at all, if we just remember how the open formula works. The population of a town is currently 50,000 people, and the population is estimated to increase each year by 3% from the previous year. Which of the following equations can be used to estimate the number of years t it will take for the population of the town to reach 60,000? So this 50,000, that's the y-intercept, right? That's our starting point. That's our O, right? So y-intercept. So that's going to go here. So not the 60,000, it's going to go in front. And then 60,000 makes sense to go on the left side here, on the equals side, because we're trying to figure out, like that's kind of our results, the thing that we want, our new value for thinking about the open formula. And then so the only real decision left, I'll put the n here, the only real decision left is what's that 1 plus or minus p kind of simplify to? Well, they talk about an increase and they talk about 3%. So we don't want it to just be 3%. We want to increase by the 3% based on the 1. So it's 1 plus 0.03. That's where 1.03 comes from. And that's basically true of any exponential equation is we have that 1 plus or minus that we have to deal with. And they're going to try to get you to forget about it. So if you make that mistake ever, then you should be writing down the open formula on your scratch paper and forcing yourself to think about that so you don't get this wrong. This is easy points. Just the traps are consistent. The formula is consistent. You can't really get anything like this wrong.